Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima. You're trying to find where the fuse for the rear view mirror is located. If you have automatic rear view mirror or multi-function rear view mirror. Okay guys, you may have up to 3 fuses that control that. Make sure you stand till the end and we'll explain where each one of them is located today. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the foot where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So what we did guys, actually, okay, we took a picture of the fuse box that's located inside. That way we can show you, otherwise it's impossible to stick that camera, light and my hand at the same time. So right here, that's the fuse box, and on the back side of the fuse lid cover, okay, you have the fuses, okay, and we printed it so we can make it a little bit bigger and show you. Those are the fuses guys. The first one that we need to check, it's known as module number 1. So if you come right here, it goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, then you go down 1, 2, 3, 4. That 7.5 M fuse guys, okay, is actually for the rear view mirror. Also guys, you have another one, okay, that's actually room LP. It's that fuse all the way down here. So that fuse guys, it's part of that 2 fuse system. So this fuse is the one that you need to check. How you guys check it? Okay, you grab that yellow thing, squish, pull out, the 2 fuses will come at the same time, and then you can replace only the one on the right side if it's bad, or test them guys. It takes only a few seconds to test the fuse, and I'll definitely recommend it. We'll put a link to a video that explains how to do that, so definitely guys check it out. Super simple and super safe as well. Another thing, if you need to buy replacement fuses for a good price, okay, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now where is the third fuse guys? You have that exterior fuse box cover that's under the hood in the engine compartment. You have one tap here, one there, squish and pull it up. You have the fuses printed on the back side, and actually, okay, what we did, we tried to take a picture and zoom it a little bit so we can show you now. What we have here corresponds to right there. Now that fuse that we're looking for guys, it's known as B/UP, okay, LP. This 10M fuse right here, that's the fuse that we are talking about. That fuse is the one, okay, that we need to check. And you have actually that fuse puller that you can use. Grab the fuse, okay, pull it out, okay, and you can test it. We will always recommend to disconnect the car battery when you do that, otherwise you can damage your electrical system. And on these modern vehicles, it matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. So if you don't know, we guys have a special video that explains that, and we will put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.